This drone launch pad is actually a seat. But don't use it like this. Someone recently bought me this as a gift, and I thought you might find it interesting. I'm calling it a drone launch pad, even though that's not what it's intended for. But look, it's the perfect size for a Mavic Mini or a Mini 2. It gets your drone up off the ground and keeps the props clear of any grass. And here's the bit you've been waiting for, the party trick. How cool is that? A portable stool. I love products that come from a place of intelligent simplicity like this. You just twist, pull, and twist to lock. It's made from a type of nylon called PA6, and it can support almost 400 pounds. You can choose the height you want to lock it at, and you can carry it with this little loop of fabric, or use the built-in shoulder strap, or just throw it in your backpack. There are quite a few companies making these now, some better than others. I'll add a link to the description of the one I have. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.